Start recording. Stop recording. Button. Speech off.
Alright, hello YouTube, welcome back to the first video on the Smoke Alarm Collector 1000 channel. This is this video this channel is actually going to take place on my old channel, so yeah, it's gonna be lots of fun, and I'm going to show all my smoke alarms and have some fun with them. So if you want, before we get started, you can kind of say something if you want to.
Hello, I'm his friend.
Alright, yeah, and today we're going to show my smoke alarms in right order. So, we got this one right here. This is a Bear. This one right here, guys, this is a Bear Basic. This is your Bear Basic smoke detector. This one has a little test button on the bottom. You basically just push it. You can actually push this one once and it'll make a beep. And it's very high pitch. It's very high pitch and very loud. And this one also has like a slider switch that you can slide out the drawer for the 9-volt battery. I'm going to put my earmuffs on and I'll show you how the slider works. So while you have it on a table, if you push it to the left, you can slide it out like that, and there's the battery.
Oh, we just got it to do it.
I don't know what I did. Alright, now you push it back in here.
To make that weird noise.
Alright, there we go. So, on the bottom here, there's actually a hardwire option, which I just use the battery backup. And then on the front here, there's a little speaker and a test button, which if you press and hold, it'll test it. So let's go ahead and test it. Alright guys, there's that one. Alright. Take these off a minute. Alright, now next up here we have this one's pretty cool, guys. This actually is a 1-link smoke and carbon monoxide unit. And this isn't just any 1-link smoke and carbon monoxide unit. This is actually a 1-link talking smoke and carbon monoxide unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlink it from my other. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure it's unlinked, and then I'm going to go ahead and test it. So put these back on. Make sure we are unlinked from all other devices.
And smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Alright, let's go ahead and test it.
Testing.
Well, that took a long time.
Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Alright. That's all for that one. Now the next one, oh yeah, and should I mention this one has a pull-out battery drawer. Now the next one is really cool. This one, oh dude, here it is. Here it is, dude.
Oh yeah.
Here's the one right here. This one, you guys, I just got today. This is actually a hardwired one-link smoke unit. This is just a smoke alarm. But the neat thing about this one is you don't have to be hardwired for the unit to work. Like, you can just be like, you can literally link it with other voice units, or with more, or even with more than one of these for it to work. It's really awesome, and it has that high pitched beep that you guys heard from the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my earmuffs on here, and let's go ahead and test it. Alright, and that is it for that unit. But as you can tell, that's... What?
Sorry guys, that was just my computer if you guys heard that, sorry.
Okay. Yeah, that one's very high pitched, as you can tell. And the next one, actually, is... You guys are going to be very surprised when I tell you this. But this one right here is actually identical to the first one that we... To the second one that we checked out. This is a talking one-link smoking carbon monoxide unit. And this one is identical to the other one that we checked out. It's the high-pitched beep. It's just like the other one. Same model. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's unlinked from all devices. And we'll go ahead and test it.
Press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit. Testing.
There we go.
Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Alright. That was it for that one. Now, of course, we have one more unit. That's it, guys. Yeah, we only have 4 units today. Now this one is a cool one as well. And as a matter of fact, it is a one-link. Actually, it is a one-link. But what is this one, you might ask? This is actually a one-link smoke detector. This is not carbon monoxide. It's just plain smoke. So I'm going to unlink it from other devices, and I'll go ahead and test it. And you guys will even notice too, the beep on this one's even lower pitch. You'll notice.
Press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Let's test it.
Testing.
Stay locked.
Alright, and that's all you're going to get from that one. Because that one is a smoke detector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put this one back up by the door. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some cool stuff. Because this alarm, all these alarms have a cool feature. There you go, it's up by the door. Alright. So now, here's the cool part. I'm going to show you guys how to link all these together, because you can actually do that. And then we'll test them all. Because you can actually link them together and then test them all at one time. So I'm going to put them in linking mode, and to do that, you press and hold, you pull the battery drawer out, you press and hold test, and then press the battery drawer in, and you'll hear a little chirp. And you do that on all your other units, and then the unit that you're connecting them all to, you press and hold the button on that unit. So you'll see what I mean as I'm doing it. So I'm going to do it on this one. Do it on this one. And do it on this one. Alright, now I have to go hold the one on the door until they all turn on.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. Select location, press and hold test button. Select location, press and hold test button to test unit. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Alright, you guys are all on. So now let's go ahead and test them all at once. Let's go ahead and do it. Here we go.
Testing. Testing. Testing.
Wow.
That was loud.
Holy cow, guys. That was a big one. Wasn't it? That was a loud one.
That was awesome, though.
Right? So, yeah, I pretty much showed you guys all the cool ones. So I showed you guys all the cool ones.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.